Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm going to show you how you can programmatically get the response for the license usage that you're currently having within your organization. First off, the authentication of the user, which is using the basic email address, and also the API key that you need to generate as well. The thing is, when it's retrieving that, and when everything is fine, it goes through the next step in here, which is going through all of the applications in there. And when it's going through all of the applications in there, it's going to say the name of the application, what is going to be the user count, the current user count that you have on your organization, what are the total seats, and also what are the remaining seats as well, based on your current subscription plan. And if there is an error with the requests calling, it's gonna print out fetch out the information. And what it's saying, first of all, is retrieving the information successfully. And what we are having here is the application, which is your product discovery. I also have the 4 active users. Total seats are 35,000, and I have more of these seats. For how many users indeed you can have based on the tier that you're using right now. Jira Service Desk, for the Jira Service Desk, there are active 16 users. And also for the Jira software, apparently, there is the active of 16 users as well. This is what the script does, and this is really useful for those who want to fetch the information when doing this programmatically. And this is something that is really for them. Of course, if you prefer the UI side, you can go ahead and view this from the billing. But of course, you need to be the organization admin, and you also need to be the billing admin as well in order to check the billing part. That is it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you guys. Bye.